Mabuhay! We thrilled to have with our distinguished speakers, Maria, Art, Kyla, and active participants, Cassandra, Therine, Matthews, and Jadwell, who share our passion for the literary significance, oral traditions, and cultural impact of our Gamaba awardees, Lang Dulay, Salinta Monon, and Alonzo Saclag.
Let's begin by introducing our guest speakers.
And now, we will introduce to you our speaker for today, starting with Ms. Maria Angeli Dael, expert in indigenous literature, focusing on Lang Dulay. Our second speaker, Mr. Art Tristan Enovio, cultural anthropologist specializing in oral tradition, focusing on Salinta Monon, Agamaba awardees. Our third speaker, Ms. Kyla Galagnao, advocate for cultural preservation, focusing on Alonzo Saclag, Agamaba awardees.
So, let's welcome our first speaker, Maria Angeli C. Dael.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Have you ever seen a dream woven into reality? That is exactly what Lang Dulay, our esteemed Gamaba awardee, did with her Tanalak weaving. It's not just cloth, it's a living storybook of the Tiboli people. Take, for instance, the bulaklak design is not just a flower pattern, but a representation of the Tiboli's reverence for nature, this connection to the earth and the cycle of life. Each intricate design whispers tales of their ancestors, their dreams, and their profound connection to the lost landscape of Mindanao. When you look at Tanalak, you're not just seeing patterns, you're just experiencing the Tibol's heart and soul. And that's, my friends, is the magic of Lang Dulay legacy.
So, let's welcome our second speaker, Art Tristan Enovio.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Today, we honor Salinta Monon, Agamaba awardee whose abak textiles are much more than just woven fabric. They are vibrant expression of oral tradition and cultural identity of the Banwa Balaan tribe. Salinta Monon's weaving is a living testament to her ancestor stories, passed down through generations, through patterns and techniques. Each design tells a story, preserving the history, beliefs, and values of her community. Her work embodied the ritual identity of the Banwa Balaan people, reflecting their deep connection to nature, their social structures, and their spiritual beliefs. The Tapu textile are a powerful symbol of cultural pride and resilience. Salinta Monon's legacy extends more than way back the history of the Tagbanwa Balaan people. And it inspires countless individuals to embrace their cultural heritage and use traditional arts as a means of preserving their identity. In closing, Salinta Monon's Abaka textiles are a vital link to the past, a celebration of the present, and a legacy for the future. Let us continue to support and promote her work, ensuring that the oral traditions and cultural identity of the Banwa Balaan tribe remain vibrant and alive. Thank you.
And now, let us welcome our third speaker,
Miss Kayla Galagnaw.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Tonight, we celebrate also Alonzo Saklag Agamamba Awardee, a visionary and a true champion of Kalinga culture. His contribute to go far beyond. Awardee, a visionary and true champion of Kalinga culture. His contribute to go far beyond. More performance single-handedly revolutionizing Kalinga music and dance, ensuring its survival and a deeply changing world. Take, for example, his work in reviving the beyond at Budong dance, traditional Kalinga faith, ritual by showcasing this dance. He not only entertained audience but also educated them about the importance of faith and unity in Kalinga society. His performance aren't just entertainment. They are vibrant expression of Kalinga history, rituals, e-14's cultural pride and unity within the Kalinga community. And finally, others embrace here.
Now, we open the floor to our participants for questions and reflections. Good morning, everyone. May I ask Miss Maria Angeline Dael about the challenges of Langdulais face in preserving Triboli waving traditions?
That's a great question, Cassandra. Langdulai face numerous challenges, including the intrusion of commercial fabric, the threaten the demand for traditional tanalak. Another challenge was the economic pressure on young Tribolese women to seek alternative employment, leading to a decline in the number of weavers. She also struggled with maintaining the integrity of the traditional design against the influence of modern aesthetics. Despite these challenges, her unwavering dedication and artistry keep the traditional alive.
Thank you, Miss Dael. Also, I have a question for Mr. Arl.
Thank you for sharing that, Ms. Cassandra. It's incredibly moving to hear how Salintano's work has touched me personally. Her weaving truly serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage and passing it down to future and more generations to come. Your reflection highlights the profound impact that traditional arts can have on our understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. May I ask Ms. Kayla Galagnaw about the role of youth in continuing Alonzo Saklag legacy of Kalinga music and dance.
That's an important question, Macklons. The youth play an crucial role and Alonzo Saklag essential to engage them and cultural education programs, encourage their participation and traditional performance, and provide them with opportunity to learn from others by fostering a sense of pride and ownership in their cultural heritage. We can empower the youth to become the just generation of Kalinga music and dance champion. Thank you.
We have a big enlightening discussion today. exploring the profound impact of our Gamaba Awards. We learn about Langdulai's tireless efforts in preserving Tivoli weaving traditions. Salinta Molon's powerful storytelling through Abacan textiles, and Alonso Saclag's dedications to revitalizing Kalinga music and dance. And Christians highlighted the challenges these traditions face and the crucial role of the youth and digital technologies in ensuring their survival. It's clear that these legacies are not just relic of the past, but vibrant expressions of Filipino cultural identity that deserve our utmost support.
Salamat po to our esteemed speakers, Maria, Arl, and Lisa, for sharing their expertise and passion with us. Your insights have been invaluable, and thank you to all the participants for their interesting questions and reflections. Your contribution have made this session truly meaningful.
As we conclude, let us all remember the importance of supporting and promoting the legacies of our Gamaba awardees. By appreciating their arts, purchasing their product, and sharing their stories, we can help ensure that these traditions continue to inspire and enrich our lives for generations to come. Thank you and magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. As we conclude today's seasons, I want to leave you with a call to actions. Let's not just be passive observers of our cultural heritage, but active participants in its preservation and promotions. Take pride in your roots, learn about your tradition, and share them with the world. Whether it's through supporting local artisans, attending cultural performances, or simply sharing stories with your family and friends, every action counts.
Yes, let's embrace our cultural identity and celebrate the richness and diversity of our Filipino heritage. Thank you, and let's continue to celebrate our cultural treasure.